sikat na castle dito sa Ireland. Ayan ang mga reyna, prinsesa ng Rock of Cashel. Welcome to Cobh, Cork, Ireland.
Dito pa ako nagamit ng bago mong on cloud. Oh,
Ito ang Cobh, Ireland.
welcome daw. So kami nagtitinda rin ng crab.
Ito yung Titanic.
What was the meaning? What was the accent? First,
Yung cathedral. Oh. Para makita.
kala ko naman pag yung kinukuha ng katitry.
Hindi, background niya yung cathedral eh.
Hello guys, we're here in
Pugod-pod.
Pagudpod,
Ireland.
Redville in Ireland.
Ayan.
Cobh.
Naghahanap siya ng ano.
Malayo ang tingin.
Hinahanap niya ang kanyang gwapong husband. Malamig.
Umaaraw, pero malamig.
Yan ang peking araw dito sa Ireland. Huwag kayong magpapaniwala sa araw.
Hindi yan totoo.
Anong balita mo, Nick?
Thanks.
Anong masasabi mo sa
Very, very pretty.
ang ganda ng araw, no?
Yeah.
Pero yung nga lang, peking
The
araw.
sun is not sunny.
And you, my beloved daughter, how are you?
I'm okay.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Where do you wanna go?
Eat.
You want to eat now? Yan, hahanap muna kami ng makakainan, guys, kasi gutom na tong mga to.
Wow, kami lang.
Wow, very
Tsaka kailangan ko ng kape kasi
Pampagising.
pampagising at pampainit.
Oh my gosh, may pants mo. Kaya nga eh, okay lang.
Dumikit na lahat yung ano.
Basta hindi tayo nakakalat.
Nagkakalat ka eh.
Parang kang si Ray.
Tuwing sa cathedral dito sa Cork. Ganda. Yan sila. Diba? Ayan o. Spike Island. Alcatraz ng Ireland. Ayan yung sa gitna. Yun yung dating kulungan. Sa gitna.
Wilson Island. Ito hindi na ito.
Dati siyang Alcatraz.
Madami yan. Sana hindi isa-isa ba? Dito ka para kita rin yung cathedral. Ayaw mo na kasama cathedral.
Yan, ganyan. Lakad na. Welcome to Kinsale, Cork. The House of Beauty and the Beast.
Gawang ng coffee kung walang water.
Pupunta tayo sa Fort Santiago.
For 7 trail.
This place was built in 1680.
Wow. Facts lang po tayo.
Sa true lang.
Oh,
Dapat kunin mo yung ano, yung pinaprank ka na na. Para sa...
worker.
Next! Ayaw.
Dun sa ano
Excited sa ano eh.
Excited sa tubig. Alam mo
Ayan.
sa swimming?
silhouette.
Welcome to Fort Santiago, Ireland.
Doon nila gusto.
Sarado.
Ay, sarado.
Hindi. May entrance nga doon sa ano. Talon lang kayo. Talon lang kayo. Welcome to Fort Santiago, Ireland. Liza, so what can you say about this place? What
Where
is
are
this
we
place?
Battle of Kinsale.
And what is this place? What they call it?
Spectacular military struggle.
What's the history of this place?
Where the British first colonized Ireland.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Okay.
Can you speak it in
Can you say what's colonized in Tagalog? Hindi, di ba sabi niya gaganon muna tayo? Ha? Okay, welcome to Fort Santiago of the of Ireland.
Ikutan. Mag-wish ka.
Ay, yan nga yung ano.
Iikot ka ng 3 beses. Tapos mag-wish ka.
Anak, mag-wish ka dito.
Tingnan mo, naniwala sa
Akala ko lang, basta mga wish na yan.
Hindi, yan yung ano, forma nitong place. Star ano.
North.
Di ba tayo dapat doon?
Si ang layo.
Hindi,
Punta
dito
ka.
muna, ikot tayo.
Tignan mo yung map.
Ang bilis ng dalawa, oh. Ito na yung mga museum nga daw.
Ay, naku, babab.
Tama doon sila. Dahan-dahan sa staff.
Ayan sila.
It's giving.
Kasi kaya pa yung lamig.
Ay, yes.
Hindi ba araw eh, kaya okay lang.
Pernet lang.
Ayan.
Okay na lang, picture ko kay ate.
Free, post-nap. Hindi na free. Tapos na ang free.
Kaya nga dito maganda nga yung view dito. Oh.
Ayun na, maganda yung ano.
Oo. Welcome to our house.
This is the ideal choice.
O, di ba?
Wow.
Anong picture kayo dito? Oh? Charles Fort. Nasa ka, ano pa
The Spaniards managed to occupy the small town here, at what was then Castle Park, later Jamesport, and the castle at Ringcurran, where Charles Fort now stands. The English army.
The British Army used to have violent Catholics, but now they take anyone they can get. There's no conscription here. We joined because there weren't many other ways to make a living, especially just after the great hunger of the famine. My brothers joined the army too. They're dead now. The officers do the recruiting here. They're not too bothered what sort they get. They just want to make up the numbers. The officer I first served under barely looked at me when I signed up, which was just as well because I was underage. He just took me in, gave me a uniform, showed me the quarters, and that was it. I was a soldier. Peacetime is worse than war. War means travel and adventure. Peace means long, hard training sessions. I was trained under the
Bawal galawin.
1792 regulations. Because the 1792 regulations were first implemented here in Ireland, a soldier trained here is called a well-disciplined soldier. And then there's peacekeeping duty. Basically, chief policeman. A while back, army soldiers used to collect time for certain land. Now it's light patrols and light as they sat round the fire, all withered and old. Remember, says he, that the Irish fight well, but the Russian artillery sure is hotter than hell. With me to Rimala, me to Rimala, me to Rimala, Rimala, Rimala. Used to come seem a wasted breath. A wasted breath the years behind in balance with this.
Anong meron dyan?
What happened again? Look. The drone is shaking.
There's a pigeon. Hi, pigeon.
Hi, pigeon. At pasukin natin. May storehouse. Storehouse. Ano kayo meron dito? Dito tayo sa storehouse. Ay. Isa lang siyang malit na. Siyang dungeon. Uy! Pasok sa loob. Nandito sila sa
Roll of honor.
Kahit
Baka nandiyan mga pangalan na nagkakilala rin dyan.
mga Tingnan mo baka may
19s,
baka may kapangalan tayo diyan.
1915s. Yes, during the World
What's
the
this?
Rising. The what?
Easter Rising.
1916 Easter Rising.
Parang sa atin yung unang sigaw sa Balintawak.
World War.
It's the Civil War. Here. Well, not Civil War. It's more like colonization.
Yan. Mga
That's not Irish. Yeah. Just it. Thomas Bernard. Egg 6:53 p.m. air on 4 Lunasa 1914 Ashriak on Telegram on Ron Koge Fark Navrina Mora Galib Egg Fogert Galrev Tuis Kurta Flash Aungade Koged Dahanda Rina Sloget Tapa Ina Yeshin Kur on Triu Kahlon Kultika Connacht Rangers ga Dangin the Youngin Rin Corin Fui Canis on LT.
Then translate that in English. This next.
The telegram from the War Department announcing the commencement of World War I arrived at Renmore Barracks, Galway at 6:53 p.m. on August 4th, 1914. Rapid mobilization followed. The 3rd Reserve PN Connacht Rangers, commanded by Lieutenant Colonel A.C. Lewin, were deployed to Charles Fort. Kinsale was to remain this battalion's war station until November.
Ah, you're not reading that one, no?
1917.
Serve nila yung...
Dito. Bawal tumuntong dyan eh.
Alaysa, no? Bakit ang daming camera dito? Sorry.
Sige lang.
1, 2, 3. Ay, sa ba anak? Dito, yan.
So pretty.
Palait sana eh.
TikTok.
Ano to eh? Dating military barracks ng mga British.
Pero ang galing parang natin art. Yung ano yun, no? Pagkakasira.
Pagkakasira ng ano. Ano, may alam kayo? Kasi kailangan natin mag-exhibition sa loob. Tatumbling tayo. Ayan, exhibition area. Kailangan daw namin mag-tumbling. Powder magazine. Meron dito. Powder magazine. Ano to?
Dito inaano yung mga magazine.
Ano yung mga baril? Armory. Sa armory.
Kaya nga eh.
Armory. Sira na siya. Bakit kayo nasira? Tinanong yun.
It's been like 3 centuries.
Tinanong kung bakit nasira. Mamaya kain tayo sa ano sa Binondo. Lapit na tayo eh. Nandito tayo sa Intramuros eh. Kalang papalaglag. You know. Parang nasa abroad
Parang nasa Ireland.
Lovely. Amazing Grace. Sige, lakad na tayo.
Yeah, it's rare.
Imagine may mga military.
Ayan.
That's the thing. That's why I think it's quite likely.
Ingat kasi madulas yung buhangin. So ito sa mga barracks ng military from 1500s na sinakop ng mga British. Ito yung mga kwarto. Imagine ilang centuries na dumaan pero hindi pa rin siya nasira ng gusto, although wala na yung mga roof but the walls still intact. Imagine paglabas mo ng barracks, ito makikita mo ang scenery. Ayan, dito na tayo sa